most of us were directed, were mandated, were asked to be here, were requested, were coerced, were forced, were laughing. O ano ba? Di ba? In other words, chances are, pwede ba? Dati pa ba ako ng training? Mga number of years ko na nito sa trabaho. Yung mga tipong ganyan, di ba? If we have that kind of attitude, that number one attitude will not maximize your learning. Because as you come in, your mind is already closed or open. Closed na kaagad. Papasok ka pa lang, closed na. Di ba? Now, we need to have an open mind. Have an open mind as you approach this training. Unang-una, for those of you who have been asked, directed, mandated to be here, might as well enjoy it and learn. And even if you will see things na alam ko na yan, might as well review it all over again because sometimes doon ka makapulot ng teka muna, parang hindi ko na-apply na yan. Yung ba tinatawag lang going back to basics, yung mga ganyan. No? So whether you will hear something old, something new, I'm sure you will be able to learn something if you have an open mind. Alright, that's the first act.